This year, I was here to climb K2 in winter. K2 is the only mountain in the world that had remained unclimbed in winter. Me and my team together, we managed to make the impossible possible. It was very cold, up to minus 65 degrees Celsius, some point in the minus 70 degrees Celsius. There were hurricane force. But the experience after that in Pakistan has been amazing. Over here, people are so warm, so welcoming. We are very humble. We're very glad how the people of Gilgit-Baltistan and also here in Islamabad, we met the president, we met chief of the military, we met tourism minister. Once again, thank you so much, Pakistan. Your country is so beautiful. You have hundreds and hundreds of 7,000-meter peaks. So many peaks are untouched. There are so much out here in Pakistan. I hope the tourism in Pakistan will go skyrocket. Thank you so much for your love and support. Pakistan Jindabad.
मेरा नाम मिंगमा जी है। मैं पाकिस्तान का नॉर्दर्न एरिया में बहुत बार गया हूँ। उधर बहुत खूबसूरत सा पहाड़ है, खूबसूरत आदमी है और उन लोगों का दिल बहुत खूबसूरत है। पाकिस्तान नेपाल दोस्ती जिंदाबाद।
मेरा नाम ग्याजन शेरपा है। मैं पाकिस्तान में अभी 6 बार आया हूँ। इधर सब लोग अच्छे हैं, इसीलिए अभी मेरा इधर अपना घर के जैसे फील हो रहा है, अपना गांव जैसे फील हो रहा है। पाकिस्तान लोगों ने, पाकिस्तानी आर्मी ने जितना हमको प्यार दिया है वो मैं हमेशा याद रखता हूँ। Pakistan Jindabad.
I'm Adriana from the UK and I'm here with the Nepalese team who just summited K2. Coming to Pakistan, I didn't really know what to expect, but it's been the most incredible experience, and the people are so passionate about their country, so humbling and just so kind, and it's been incredible to visit this country. I really hope that tourism grows here because it's such a beautiful place and everyone needs to come visit at least once.